How to fix WhatsApp GIF not loading problem. If your WhatsApp GIFs are not loading, it can be frustrating, and here is a detailed step-by-step guide to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. GIFs need a stable internet connection. Test by opening a web page or streaming a short video as well, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Then look for the App Store on your mobile device and simply tap on it. Once inside the App Store, tap on the search address bar and search for the WhatsApp app. Then all you have to do is simply tap on the original WhatsApp app and you will get to see update option available there. Tap on the update if available, because outdated versions may fail to load GIFs properly. Once you do so, once your WhatsApp is updated, go to the home screen, look for the settings app and simply tap on it. Now in there, tap on the general, then tap on the iPhone storage. There you will get to see the list of apps available. From there, scroll and tap on the WhatsApp. Once you tap on the WhatsApp, tap on the upload app and confirm the upload and re-download it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.